I'm gonna put that and show mom and dad.
No, you're not.
Shame on you.
She said,
I feel like I'm gonna faint, Renoir.
Okay, when you faint, let me know.
No, slow down with your driving.
Do you have your insurance card?
But we're gonna go ahead and fix that with some mascara
Wow.
and lashes.
Please show me how.
So annoying. Hi guys! So we're gonna do a get ready with me while we are driving. I'm not driving, obviously, my sister is. But we're on our way to Cali, we're halfway there. We have about 2 hours, so I figured why not get ready in the car. Funny story is that I gave my brother my makeup bag to get with him and he forgot it at home. So all my makeup is at home. But luckily my sister has her makeup so I can borrow some stuff, but she was missing some stuff that I needed, so we stopped by the store. So we got coconut oil because I have no moisturizer and coconut oil is the best moisturizer. So I got that for my face and my body. I got me the Ardell Wispies lashes. I got a curler. I got lash glue, hand sanitizer because we're gonna be doing this in the car, so we gotta be clean. I put some concealer on. I already moisturized my face with coconut oil, and you know how coconut oil is like hard, you need to like melt it, so I literally heated up my car heater and just melted the coconut oil in my hand in front of the heater, and it worked. I need to wet my beauty blender. What do I do?
Water here. My water's almost done.
Do I
Use this.
This is not gonna be enough.
water right here.
Like, do I throw it at the window?
You know what? Use my Starbucks cup. I'm done with the coffee.
Oh, smart. Okay.
That's a life hack.
Suna, I might need your help in this one.
Just remind me not to drink from it, because I might forget and just sip on it.
See, the funny thing is, like, this is the foundation washing off, which is the same color as the Starbucks. Oh, yeah. I could totally give this to her and she'll have no idea. Right?
Yeah,
What if that was
like
a
I'm
prank?
listening.
This is literally half foundation, but you can't even tell because the color is exactly the same. So the goal here is to try to make the makeup look as smooth as possible with a moving car. I do want to apply some lashes on, so I'm taking a risk here by doing that. So I'm not going to wear any foundation because Renoir, she doesn't wear foundation, and I don't really wear foundation either. I mean, sometimes. So this look is going to be without a foundation. Luckily, I put one eyeshadow palette, well, 2 eyeshadow palettes and my contour kit in another bag. I forgot everything else. I wanted to do like different makeup looks, but oh well. I have never tried this. Okay, so we're gonna take this shade right here. Oh, I do like. Before I bronze up my face, I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows and my eyes. My eyebrows should be very fun trying to do this in the moving car. I'm scared for my eyebrows. Why is your eyebrow thing so stiff?
I don't know, it's weird.
Pray for me, pray for me.
You have pretty good brows though, you don't need it.
I'm trying to do like a legit, like full natural glam. If that made any sense while in the car. You know, I don't want to half-ass it. I want to do the real thing.
Dude,
lashes.
why is it telling me 10:36?
It's probably traffic, yo.
Gosh, I freaking hate LA sometimes.
Renoir, could you like not
انت غالي.
get on any bumps, please?
I need your hand to stay awake. I need positive energy to get after.
Oh, swirls. Don't be doing swirls here.
Sorry, that's how the roads are.
This is the done brow. As good as it's gonna get with this brow.
Dude, I shouldn't have wasted that coffee. I'm falling asleep.
You want to have coffee with foundation?
No, I'm saying I shouldn't have wasted it.
I know, there's still some left over.
Ew.
Okay, it's been done! Not too bad over here. Alright guys, what do you think?
Wow.
We're gonna apply some brow gel to set them brows.
I love you know.
Aww, she says she loves me. That was so random. Okay.
Now I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm driving at 75. What else does the
Popo. Watch out from the popo. I'm sure you don't have eye primer, do you?
No, you can use your concealer as an
Well,
eye primer.
that's what I was about to say. Since she has no eye primer, we're gonna go ahead and conceal and set
I don't
the
pack
eyes.
all my makeup when I travel, and ain't nobody got time for that. You just pack the essentials.
I have leftover glue on my lashes, so it might look a little funny, so excuse that. It's just doesn't want to come off. It actually looks really disgusting.
Thanks a lot for sharing. It's like excuses are tools for the unprepared. Something I'll be like, I don't have it. Why? And I'll try to, nope, excuses. Go ahead and tell me the excuses. So that's what I'm going to do with you. I'm going to write you a poem about excuses. So every time you want to tell me an excuse, I'm going to be like, what am I hearing? Excuses. What are excuses? They are tools for the unprepared.
Suna, I don't think you asked to be hearing all this, right? You didn't ask her. She just started blabbing out of nowhere. All right, moving on to the eyes.
We're 2 minutes now, last timing, but
Great.
10:39.
I am using the Tartiste Pro palette.
It's Tarte, the Tartiste.
Tartiste. I think I just spat. Let's do that again. So we're gonna use this palette on the eyes.
This palette on
So we're gonna use this palette right here.
Palette.
See, even my brushes, I don't have. Come through with the brushes, you know?
You're welcome.
Ew, I hate the glue. It's stuck on my lash and it looks so nasty. Please do.
Can people see your psychiness? Suna, who's the most asabi person بالعائلة?
You. Oh! Me? Suna, Hasuna. Who is the funniest out of your sisters? For
Be
real,
honest.
for real. Come on, bro. You've said this before. Hey, Naga!
Who's the
Alright, so as soon as my brother said I'm the funniest
Is
sister.
she the funniest, Suna?
Suna, repeat it please. My camera died, so could you repeat yourself? Who's the funniest sister? Naga.
Really?
It's a time between NAGAM and NAGAM.
Rin was not funny.
I am.
No, she's not.
I'm like cute funny, right, Suna?
Yeah, but you're the
OG funny.
No, weird funny.
Weird funny.
I'm the weird funny. Oh, who has the most mood swings though? Like one second they're like happy. Renwa for sure, right? Yeah. Let's just put that out there. Like the one thing I hate in a person.
Hate is a strong word.
Okay, let's just not be so literal. But the one thing that I truly dislike in a person is having mood swings. Like you can never predict what they're gonna do next.
It's not called having mood swings. It's called being emotionally smart. What? I am emotionally smart.
I don't think having mood swings is emotionally smart. I think it's emotionally confused. Emotionally smart.
I think I keep things exciting in life.
So we're gonna play Would You Rather Gold Shimmer Shade. I hope it's not
Yes, we're down to 10:15.
too dark. Would you rather be invisible or be able to fly?
Okay, invisible.
Invisible.
Yeah, invisible for me too.
Me too.
Because you can protect yourself.
Well, I was thinking you could like spy eavesdrop on people. You could like sneak in an airplane and travel the world.
That cause a lot of problems.
You could eat other people's food and nobody would know.
Suna would like.
You could like pretend you're a ghost.
You could pretend you're a ghost and scare people.
Would you rather travel to somewhere in Europe or Africa?
I would say Europe. I've never been to Europe. I really want to do it. You?
I don't know.
I want to go Africa.
I heard really good things about Africa.
In Africa?
Yeah.
Life started in Africa?
Yeah.
No way. I don't know what I was thinking, trying to get a cut crease up in here. Wasn't gonna work.
Why are you trying to do like a full-on ass makeup right now?
I don't know. You know when you try to do a natural look, but then just one thing turns after the other, and like all of a sudden you're in glam.
Into the other. Nothing turns after the other.
You're so annoying!
What the heck?
I'm gonna put that and show mom and dad.
No, you're not.
I am.
No, you're not.
Why did you say that then, huh?
You're not gonna put it.
I am gonna put it.
Oh, I have a good comeback.
Look, mom and dad, do you see what she's talking to me on camera for people to hear and see and know about?
If she said
Shame on
If
you.
she said me
I was
on.
editing and posting it though.
If she
I'm going back in with that big brush that I used at the beginning and then just blend everything out. Stop.
A donut that has Snicker bars inside of it.
What?
Yeah.
A donut with Snicker bars? Oh my god.
I haven't had a donut for.
Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna faint, Renoir.
Okay, when you faint, let me know.
No, slow down with your driving.
Do you have your insurance card?
Oh.
So dramatic. I think our family in general is hella dramatic.
So I think we're done with the top.
Yay! Round of applause, everybody.
I'm gonna ask you one more time. Do not interrupt
I love you.
me.
Your hands are so cute. They're like soft.
You're so annoying.
I love you too.
Can't deal with your ass.
No! Please don't tell me. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, the Lord heard me.
If my
Don't cuss.
no,
We don't cuss.
No, Renoir, you don't understand. You don't understand. If my lens broke, I'm gonna cry, cause this is the second time. All right, we survived. Everything is all Gucci. I didn't want my camera to break because I just got this lens. So I just realized this right here is very disgusting when I look down. I just want you guys to know. It's glue stuck from yesterday with powder and concealer just packed on it. So this is why it looks nasty. But we're gonna go ahead and fix that with some mascara
Wow.
and lashes.
Please show me how. Yo, this is a nice area. What is this?
So annoying. You have mascara?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Everything is falling apart. My life is falling apart.
Camera is gonna fall again.
Well, if you drive better and decide to not drive uphill, none of this would happen. Let's curl these lashes without tearing my lashes. Oh, not too bad, the Revlon. Hopefully I can get this off. We're doing it and doing it and doing it. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. All right, guys, here it goes. I'm scared. I don't think I could do this. Oh boy. Oh. Oh shit. Oh no. It's on. It's on. Can I have a?
I'm glad you clapped for yourself.
You know, if nobody claps for you, you clap for yourself. Thank you, Nona. I heard that small clap. Ah! You damn bubble. That bubble was gonna get me. Trying to mess up my lashes. All right, second lunch. Lashes are on, and while they're drying up, I'm gonna move on to finishing my lower lash line. Should I do like a color on my lower lash line? Should I be extra and do that? I'm wearing blue, so like blue shorts, so maybe I should do something. I think you're on the opposite side of the road. People don't park here, they don't park like that, and there's a cop right there. Yeah, I don't want to get a ticket now. My sister and brother did a quick stop to Target to go to the bathroom, so I have some time to finish this up while the car is a little steady. I think we're gonna go with this shade right here, Trendy, and put that in the lower lash line. All right, I'm gonna move on to my lips before the car starts moving again, because I feel like the lips is gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be one Cricut lip liner. So we're gonna use Nice and Spicy by MAC for the lip liner. So I don't have much option with the color choices here since I'm working with my sister's makeup, but this is a nice color. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna fill in my lips with this color. So this is how it looks like that. I kind of like it just the way it is. I don't know if I should add anything on top. This is just the lip liner filled in. I feel like it blends nicely with the makeup. We also have this. Should we add this on top? Let's see. I think I'm just gonna leave it just like that, guys. I'm not gonna add anything. I think just with the filled in lip liner because it matches nicely with my eye makeup. So we're just gonna go leave it just the way it is. I'm gonna finish my eyes. I'm gonna go back in with the mascara. Why is she trying to scare me? Oh, thank you, baby girl. I was dying. I feel like if you live in LA, you should most definitely be doing your makeup in the car. Obviously, again, if you're not driving with this much traffic, you know? It's like, use it for something. We're gonna use this brush. I don't have this brush, so we'll see how it works. Oh!
What?
Dude, I put so much. It's so pigmented. Look.
It is. Don't put the last one.
That's what I put.
No, I used the middle one.
Damn. All right, let's try to fix this. Holy moly. Guacamole. All right. That blended out nicely. Count Von D ain't playing with this pigmentation though. I still didn't dip it back in. This is what's left over. Should I contour the nose?
I always have to.
Alright, we're gonna contour the nose a little bit. You guys, I did a full beat in the car while it's moving. That's a first. Last thing is we're gonna highlight. So I'm gonna grab the Champagne Pop by Becca. I think that was Cricket. Yay! We did it! I did my makeup in a moving car. I don't even know if it was a thing on YouTube. I'm just like, hey, we have 2 hours to kill. I gotta do my makeup. Why don't I film it? I definitely suggest you guys try it out if you haven't. It wasn't too bad. All right, guys, so we're done. I'm in the driver's seat because I'm about to drive, but I just wanted to show you guys the final look right here. I got this glue that like leaves like a clear to white residue on, which I don't like because I feel like it still shows. I usually get the black ones, but as you guys know, I forgot my whole makeup bag. Well, my brother did. It wasn't so hard. I recommend you guys try it out. If you do try it out, please let me know. I would like to watch and see how that went. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm currently parking in a private property, so I'm gonna get going before they try to tow my car. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.